Very unusual flavors at Domani Gelato. Followfazia.com. Delivery. Unusual flavors at Domani Gelato. Gelato is the Italian word for ice cream. It starts out with a similar custard base as ice cream but has a higher proportion of milk and a lower proportion of cream and eggs, or no eggs at all. The gelato is churned carefully, at a much slower rate, to incorporate less air, thus leaving the gelato denser than ice cream. So let's explore Domani Gelato. The process of making gelato has evolved over thousands of years. In the beginning, gelato was made with a few simple ingredients. Egg yolks were used as the main stabilizer and were added to the other raw ingredients such as sugar and milk, sometimes water for sorbetta, heated in a large pan, bowl and then chilled. Flavorful ingredients, fresh fruit, nuts, chocolate, etc., are then added and the gelato was batched. Batching gelato is also known as the process in which the gelato is frozen and the air is incorporated into it to give it its nice, dense, smooth texture. The gelato from Domani Gelato is served at a slightly warmer temperature than ice cream, so its texture stays silkier and softer. In addition, gelato has a lower percentage of fat than ice cream. The main ingredient really shines through Domani Gelato, provided a large assortment of gelatos came in a styrofoam box filled with dry ice. I looked inside and lo and behold, 10 different flavors of gelato and of course some sundae styles also. Domani Gelato Chocomint. Subtle mintiness with chocolate chip flakes sporadically dispersed throughout. This minto crazy awesome cool smooth flavor was definitely a hit for me. I love mint chocolate and this is one of my favorite ice cream choices. Domani Gelato Cookies and Cream. Creamy, light sweetness, full flavored and delicious. Domani Gelato Mango. Like having a super cold fresh mango, sweet and fresh and frothy. Domani Gelato Tomato. Well, tomato is actually considered a fruit, so why not make gelato out of it? So I tried this and a definite no way for me on this flavor. It was like eating a very sweet tomato. Not my top 1000 pick of flavors. Domani Gelato Hazelnut. Mild hazelnut flavor, smooth and super creamy. Hints of hazelnut was noticeable in the smooth silky gelato flavor. Domani Gelato Basil. Interesting flavor choice and the perfect place to have it with the king of fresh basil right here in Thailand. I tried this and it was like eating sugared basil. Many people enjoy this, however, this was not my cup of tea. Domani Gelato Tiramisu. Delicious, silly smooth with all the right aroma and taste. Definitely a flavor to revisit time and time again. Domani Gelato Yogurt Strawberry. This reminded me of a Dairy Queen strawberry sundae, only 1000% more creamy, real and smooth. Loved the black cherry on top. Domani Gelato Zuppa Inglese. This gelato is an Italian dessert layering custard and sponge cake, perhaps derived from a trifle. You definitely want to try this. Domani Gelato Cassata. Smooth vanilla gelato on top of chocolate gelato sprinkled with candied fruit all over. Gelato is lower in fat because it contains less cream and more milk, and is churned slower, resulting in less air and a richer flavor. Gelato is made with milk, cream, various sugars, and ingredients such as fresh fruit and nut purees. Although I love both of them, my mood sometimes dictates what I prefer. If it's a really hot day, I would rather have ice cream since it won't melt as quickly and I don't have to quickly eat it. If I just want a little bit of dessert, though, I choose gelato since it has a more intense, satisfying flavor that I can savor. Do you prefer ice cream or gelato? https://www.facebook.com/domanigelato/ Miss Fazia https://followfazia.com